I'm tired of climbing this mountain. Maybe we should smoke up, get some energy.
I think we're almost there.
Whoa. That's fucking dope.
Is that Tommy Chong?
Hey man, I see you're smoking a joint there. Mind if I take a hit?
No, not at all. Oh, okay.
You just smoked our whole joint in one hit. That's cool.
Hey, don't worry man, I got you.
Wow. Thanks, Mr. Chong.
Hey, no problem man.
Where'd you say you got this weed from again? Oh, Tommy Chong appeared in a cloud form and then grew us a weed plant by peeing on the ground.
What?